You know, I feel like every year I say, I didn't drink enough Malbec this year, and next year I'm going to make it a goal to drink more Malbec. And that is the same thing that happened to me this year, and it is the same goal I am setting for 2026. Welcome back to day 9 of the Wine Advent Calendar, and today we're talking about Malbec. Now, Malbec is primarily, the Malbec you're going to see is primarily from Argentina. It's a pretty big red wine, but not too big, right? So it does appeal to a lot of red wine drinkers, and I think that's why Malbec just took over the world 15 years ago. It became this thing, and it really put Argentina wine back on the map. The wines that are being produced in Argentina now, not just Malbec, but all kinds of different varietals, continue to really impress me. But in the end, this video is about Malbec, and I think I wanted to make sure that people don't lose sight of it, because I think it's easy to get lost in a sea of red wine. And Malbec is one of those varieties that for me does get lost. I feel like if I ever see a Malbec on a wine list, I lean towards it and I gravitate towards it. But when I'm in a wine store, I tend to go right by it. And I don't know why. I don't know why that is. Malbec, dark fruit, plums, blackberries, some black cherries at times, really lovely medium weight, medium to full weight, medium to full tannins, or medium to high tannins, right? Very easy to drink, easy to like. It's kind of like a charming friend that everybody just immediately finds likable. I think that's another one of those reasons why Malbec should not be overlooked for people who are very advanced in the wine world, and also is a perfect beginner wine for people who are just getting into wine. Now, one Malbec that I always recommend is from Acheval Ferrer. Their regular Malbec is lovely. It's a great entry level. It's a little more red than black, like the fruit veers into the red zone, but it's just such a lovely wine and easy to drink. And maybe that's where you should start. And maybe that's what I should be doing very soon, is going out and grabbing a bottle of that and doing a video on it, because Malbec, I haven't done enough Malbec videos. Forget about drinking enough. I haven't done any videos on Malbec, maybe one. I got to do more. I got to do better. I have to be better. Be better next year. I hope you guys are having a good December so far, and I will see you tomorrow.